As someone who films food content to share recipes and kitchen tips, sometimes when I'm just cooking at home, I suddenly feel the urge to turn it into content. That's exactly what happened this time. I was simply cutting fat off the meat I planned to use for dinner when it struck me that this dish will look amazing on camera. Without thinking twice, I set up my light and camera and started filming. At some point, I did regret it a little because my family ended up eating late, but honestly, I'm glad I did. Because right now, somebody out there is enjoying this video, and maybe, and just maybe, you will even subscribe to my channel. Not maybe oh. Go ahead and click that subscribe button while we cook this dinner together. So I added chopped garlic, seasoning powder, chili powder and thyme to my shredded meat. I mixed that well so that all the flavors can penetrate. I covered it up and set aside for a few minutes to marinate. Then I proceeded to cut my bell peppers into chunks. Stay with me, let's mix all the ingredients needed to make this sauce taste yummy. I pan-grilled my meat because I wanted that crunch on the outside while the inside is moist and juicy. At first, the meat cooks in its own water. That's what locks in the juiciness. Then after a few minutes, it starts frying with the oil, which gives it that nice crunch crispy bite. Honestly, I just wanted my meat to taste like suya inside the sauce, if you know what I mean. When I mentioned earlier that this dish will look amazing on camera, I did not lie you because this actually looks great. And please, when you are cooking sauce like this, be generous with your garlic. It is very important. If you don't like garlic, no problem, but if you do, don't skip this step at all. Oh, you think I'm done with my ingredients? Adding sweet corn is always a game changer for me. Just imagine that natural sweetness of the corn mixing perfectly with the sauce. Your taste bud will thank you. On days when I'm tired of tomato sauce with white rice, this is my go-to recipe. And trust me, my family always look forward to it. So if you have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Come and join this family, and don't forget to like this video and drop a comment telling me where you are watching from. Now, Oya, bring your plate. Since we cook together, it's only right we eat together. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.